So Simon, many thanks for the invite today. It's May the 1st. Why am I here?
We've got some very good news. TDT technology, as of today, will be TDT Machine Tools Limited. And we've also appointed a new sales director.
And what's the reason behind the sales director?
We've recently appointed Tim Stell, I think people saw on your site a few weeks ago. That was just before the Mac exhibition. We've gone through the Mac exhibition. We've had some very good results. The Mac machine was sold, the big Mac machine was sold the week after Mac. We were chasing a sales director for some time before the exhibition, and during the exhibition we did a deal.
Okay, so I'm here with the new recruit. Phil, welcome. Why have you joined TDT?
I see this as an amazing opportunity to get on board an expanding company. It's growing. There's a lot of interest in the portfolio of machines at TDT Machine Tools, and looking forward to, as a sales director, to bring a team on board to get the name out there.
Can I ask which brands, you've got vast brands covering different sectors and different chunks of the market. Is there any one in particular that excites you more?
Yes, the Feeler range. It's been around in the UK it's got to be up to 20 years now, with various different people selling it. TDT Machine Tools have now got it. I feel it's an excellent opportunity to get the Feeler name out there again, and TDT. They've got an impressive range. Most people may just know them from the more simple 2-axis lathes and 3-axis vertical machining centres, but they're now doing Y-axis lathe, sub-spindle. On the vertical machining centres, you're up to 5-axis machines with 800mm tables. There's some exciting technology there now.
And where do you think they fit in the market? Are they a commodity machine? Do you get a lot of bang for your buck?
You do get a lot of machine for your money, but we are competing in a very competitive sector, but they are keen on price. They are affordable to most small and medium businesses, as well as the high technology machines to the large OEMs.
So if we fast forward 12 months, where do you think you will be, and where do you think TDT will be?
I'd like to think TDT would be on everybody's lips. Anyone looking for a machine tool will now know the TDT Machine Tools brand. I'd like to think the Feeler name is back out there again, with small, medium OEM businesses buying into the technology. We'd like to be doing 20, 30 machines. And to do that, we're looking at taking on another service engineer. We're looking to take on another salesman in the south. We've got quite an aggressive expansion program to get the name out there.
Yeah, big plans, lots of investment.
Definitely. There's a lot of investment Simon's putting into the business, and we hope it will pay off with plenty of machine tool sales.
Yeah, and I understand Mac went well, so good luck for the rest of 2018.
Thank you. There's a lot of inquiries to follow up.